In this tutorial, we are going to go through addition of two-digit numbers and tens using the vertical format. Let's start with an example. What is 45 plus 30? 45 plus 30. Now in the vertical format, what we have to do is to write these numbers down in columns. So let's do that. 45 plus 30. Now we don't have to label the columns, but let's do that just by way of good practice to begin with. This column is the units column, the one next to it is the tens column. And what we do with vertical format is that we add each of the columns one by one. We always start with the column on the right hand side. So let's do that. What is 5 plus 0? It's a nice easy one. It's 5. Now we do the tens. What is 4 plus 3? That's right, it is 7. And we have our answer. 45 plus 30 is 75. That was nice and easy, wasn't it? Now let's look at this one. What is 68 plus 50? 68 plus 50. The first step is to write these down in the vertical format. So we write down 68 plus 50, and we're going to label the columns units and tens. So let's add the column on the right hand side. What is 8 plus 0? That's right, 8 plus 0 is 8. And now the tens. What is 6 plus 5? 6 plus 5. That's right, it's 11. How do we write that down? We put 1 here in the next column and 1 here. So the 1, this is 11, this goes over here. This one is now part of the next column. And what is that called? This one is units, this one is tens, and the one next to it is the hundreds column. We've added the units, we've added the tens, and now we add the hundreds. There is nothing here, there is nothing here, but there is 1 here. And that is our answer. 68 plus 50 is 118. Let's try one more. Oops, the paper's just moving. Let's try one more example. What is 94 plus 60? 94 plus 60. Now again, the first step is to write this down in the vertical format. So we write down 94 plus 60. We're not going to label the columns. We can do, but we're not going to do it in this instance. So let's begin, as we always do, by adding the column on the right hand side first. What is 4 plus 0? Well, that's 4. Now we do the tens. What is 9 plus 6? 9 plus 6. That's right, it is 15. How do we write that down? We put 1 in the next column and we put 5 here. 15. This one is now part of the hundreds column. There are no hundreds here, there are no hundreds here, but there is 1 here. We add them together and it makes 1. And there we have it. 94 plus 60 is 154. And that is addition of two-digit numbers and tens using the vertical format.